Hello, freelancers. Imagine working with the waves of the ocean in the background. In this section, we will be sharing with you some amazing freelance gigs that allow you to work from anywhere. Whether it's your cozy home or a tropical beach, get ready to find the ultimate work-life balance. In this video, we'll be reviewing the online translation jobs offered by Intonation, a leading language service company providing global professional translation and interpreting services. To apply for a freelance job, click on the About tab. Now, scroll down and you'll find a link that says Work at Intonation. Click on that, and it will take you to a page with all the details you need to know about joining their team. For those of you looking for more translation and interpretation opportunities, we have a PDF book that contains over 1,000 translation and interpretation jobs. It's available for purchase at ko-fi.com and also on amazon.com. Check the link in the description and take your skills to the next level. If you want to watch more videos like this, please check out this playlist.